Breaking news, guys. This beloved ride is closing at Universal Studios Orlando. Just kidding. Nobody likes this ride. It's over here. Let's get on the Fast and the Furious one last time. It's the last year that it's open, so let's make it count for family.
Hey, Pat. I see our partygoers have arrived.
Yeah, they just got here. Why say I them?
Hey, everybody. I'm Mia, Dom's sister. Well, another race just wrapped, and it looks like my brother found another car for his collection.
Of
I
course.
don't know why anybody challenges him.
Desperation.
Well, we're meeting up at Sullivan's Garage for the after party, and while Tej works on your rides, you guys enjoy the break room. My brother calls this the family room. Dom says he doesn't have friends, he has family.
Aww.
The faces you see on these walls are our family.
Mine's not up there though.
When I'm in this room, I feel like we're all together.
I see how it is.
So, welcome to our family.
Welcome to the family, guys. It's me, the witch. What's up, Tej? On my room here.
All right. What's up, Mia?
Hey, Tej, just welcoming these good people to our family. How are their rides coming along?
The rides are ready to roll out and roll out in style.
All right. I'll let Dom know. You guys have fun at the party.
Bye, Mia.
Hey, Mia.
All right, Pat. Let's get these people on their way. Send them over to the war room.
Alright, only boss. Peace.
Peace.
Okay, guys, you heard Tej. In just a minute, those doors are going to open. You guys will head right on into the war room where you'll meet Tej's assistant, Jamie.
And I love the shirt, by the way. Oh, yeah. Bless you. You're welcome. Nice to see everyone. Welcome to the War Room, guys. My name is Jamie. It's a pleasure to have my extended family here. Tej will have been here, but he left me here by myself for the first time due to him making sure that the buses are going to get here on time. And as soon as the buses get here, we are going to be going from this direction, this location, to Sullivan's Garage for the after party. So are you guys ready?
Yeah.
All right.
Jamie, the buses are here.
Perfect timing, my friend. I will send the family away. Do you want me to answer that?
I got this, Jamie.
Okay.
Dom, what up?
Tej, just got a heads up from Hobbs. The FBI is about to raid your location.
Did I hear that right?
Man, they always ruining our
Tell me
fun.
about it.
It gets worse.
How?
They're leading Owen Shaw right to your door.
Not Owen Shaw.
Shaw, that cockroach we beat down in Spain?
Yeah?
What's he got to do with this?
Nothing yet. And let's keep it that way. Get those people on those buses.
Well, I was trying, Dom.
You need to start plugging out right now.
Okay.
And get that turbo truck ready.
Tej?
I'm sending Lenny there to pick it up.
I'm on it.
Hobbs needs our help.
Me too.
He needs our team.
Well, I got the family right here.
Spread the word.
Spread the word, okay,
But
guys?
keep it in our family.
We're a family.
And keep it quiet.
Never mind, don't spread the word. Okay, another call.
It's Hobbs. Hobbs, my man. What up?
Sorry, Brother Tej, no time for chit-chat. I just sent you a brief on FBI agent Novak. Has Toretto filled you in?
A little bit.
Yeah. He wants us to get everybody over to the party at Sullivan's.
Sounds like a plan. That party is a ready-made diversion. Keep it going. We need to discuss how you're gonna get all those civilians out of there without tipping off the FBI.
We're a family. Let me know how I can help.
Okay, hold on. Let me get everybody squared away, and we'll talk offline.
Copy that, Tej, and let everybody know. Shut off your cell
Wait,
phones.
what?
We don't want Shaw tracking your locations.
Aren't you calling from a cell phone?
Okay, Jamie, you heard the man.
Yeah?
It's about to go to a whole nother
It's
level.
gonna be tough.
Send everybody to the loading dock.
Of course. Alright, guys, the party buses are here, and try not to worry about Owen Shaw, okay?
Yes, sir.
I think I got this. But if not, please tell Dom.
We're heading to the party bus, right? No, you can talk. We're heading to the party bus. Welcome to the party bus, y'all. I got my peoples with me. What up? We about to party like it's 1999. Beep, 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 beep.
Listen up, everybody. My man Hobbs wants to talk directly to y'all, so I'm patching him through now.
My name is Special Agent Luke Hobbs of the U.S. Diplomatic Security Service, and as of 16.9 seconds ago, I'm the man in charge. There's a high-value witness from the Federal Protection Program aboard your vehicle. An international crime syndicate led by Owen Shaw is honing in on this vehicle to take that witness out. Shaw's as ruthless as they come. He'll stop at nothing to eliminate his target. Every living soul on this vehicle is in serious danger. Other than that, enjoy the ride.
Hey, guys, we're gonna keep you safe. Safely leave your house. Please turn off your cell phones and put away your cameras. Because one flash or ringtone can give us away. Remember, if you have problems, deal with it together.
Party time.
The FBI! Turn that music off! Come on, get moving. Put the words right there. Get moving. Get out there.
This is what we doing. This is the race day after party, and the what else?
Roman Pierce, FBI, don't move.
Yeah.
That's right, party's over.
You know how long I took to iron this shirt, man? I'm not.
You're under arrest right now.
Ladies, just back up a little bit. Got it. It's lightweight. First of all, I don't work for you.
Oh, really? Well, tell me, Roman, who do you work for?
We don't work for nobody. I suggest you clear out of here, otherwise we can't guarantee your safety.
Guarantee my safety? I'm the one holding the gun.
Yeah, but mine's a whole lot bigger than yours. Hobbs, escort this novice out.
Let's go, Cookie Puss.
That ugly suit on, man. It's cheap.
Somebody out there really pissed off Shaw. It's gonna get ugly fast.
Yeah, don't worry. Lucky for you, our whole family protects you.
Are you kidding me, Roman? You didn't shut off your phone, bro?
I gotta call you back. I'm in another tonight.
See what I'm talking
Call you
about?
back.
Man.
It was on vibrating.
Shaw traced us. Hobbs can't hold him forever. Letty, Roman, we're up. Try to move that vehicle.
It's about to get real interesting. Mona Lisa's all warmed up right next door.
Okay, guys. No flash photography and no cell phones. And keep very quiet.
This is our time.
Oh my God. Okay.
Okay, guys, it's your time.
Oh, I got wet. Oh my God. Get on the helicopter. Oh my God. Oh my God. What the hell was that? This ain't no roller coaster.
You do learn to ride like that.
I've never been all the way in the back. Is that how it is?
They got you back.
Yeah, I haven't been roughed up like that in a long time.
Hey, yo.
The bigger the family, the stronger it is. You guys get good out there. And you're welcome to join our crew anytime.
We're welcome to join the crew.
All right, let's forget about all that mess. The party is here.
I've only been in this store like twice. I don't see it. Like, even if you're a motorhead, the merch kind of like never called to me. Oh, except, for Brian's Toyota Supra, of course. But other than that, like, even when it's on clearance, it just never moved me. Oh, Dom's car. That's where it's at right there. That's where it's at. And, just in general, it doesn't do it for me. And there you have it, my very last time on the Fast and the Furious. Am I going to miss this ride? No. Am I excited for the roller coaster? Absolutely. But I rode it like 2 times in the past, and it doesn't call me. I feel like Skull Island is worlds better. But what do you think?